If you want your ElevenLabs voiceover to sound angry, intense, or full of emotion, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the voiceover angry in ElevenLabs using the right model and a simple prompting trick that can dramatically change how the AI delivers your script. This is a really useful method if you want your narration to sound more dramatic, more expressive, or just more human. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open ElevenLabs and go to the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll create your voiceovers and control how the voice sounds. Once you're in the text-to-speech area, the very first thing you want to check is the model selection. Make sure the model is set to 11v3, or, if a newer multilingual model is available, choose the latest one. This matters because the model you use can affect how well the voice interprets tone, pacing, and emotional delivery. A better model usually gives you better control over expression, which is exactly what you want when trying to create an angry voiceover. Now that the correct model is selected, the next step is to use prompting tags directly in your script. This is the key part of the process. Right before the line you want spoken with emotion, insert a bracketed instruction describing the delivery. For example, you can type, "Do not touch that." The idea here is that the bracketed text tells the AI how to interpret the line that follows. So instead of reading it in a flat neutral tone, ElevenLabs will try to deliver it with the emotional style you've requested. You can also experiment with other emotional tags if you want different levels of intensity. For example, if angry is too strong, you might test something like frustrated, annoyed, or heated, depending on the kind of result you want. Then generate the audio and listen back carefully. If the delivery is not strong enough, try rewriting the line to make the emotion more obvious or move the tag closer to the dialogue. Sometimes small changes in punctuation can also help. Adding an exclamation point, using shorter sentences, or writing the line in a more direct style can make the result sound more believable. Another helpful tip is to keep your script very clear. If you want the voice to sound angry, the wording of the line should support that emotion. For example, a short command or an upset reaction usually works better than a long, complicated sentence. The simpler and more forceful the line is, the easier it is for the AI to deliver it with the right energy. If you're creating multiple lines, you can place the emotional tag before each individual line that needs that delivery. That gives you more control over which parts of the script sound angry and which parts stay neutral. This is great for scenes, skits, storytelling, or any content where you want the voice to switch emotion at different moments. Once you're happy with the result, you can download or export the final voiceover and use it in your project. And that's it. That's how to make the voiceover angry in ElevenLabs using the correct model and simple bracketed prompting tags. It's a fast way to get much more expressive audio without needing a separate voice actor. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI voice and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.